Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Bushra Hashmat. I'm aesthetic consultant at 3D Lifestyle Lotus Clinic, DHA2, Islamabad. Today I am going to discuss about the fat pockets which are difficult to remove otherwise, even after having exercise and having diet. Hats off to 3D Lifestyle that has introduced in Pakistan for the first time the advanced technology which deals with fat removal, cellulite and skin tightening. Today the process we are going to discuss in detail is cryolipolysis. Cryolipolysis is one of the procedure in which the fat is removed from the body. As the name indicates, cryo means freezing and lipolysis means breakdown of fat. So basically it is the breakdown of the fat cells by the process of freezing, and this process is followed by shockwave therapy which directs the broken fat cells toward lymphatics to be drained out. What patients are particular for this cryolipolysis? Those who are having loose fat over the upper belly, lower belly, love handles, lower back, back boobs, man boobs, bingo wings, double chin, inner and back of the thigh, not the bum. So this particularly deals with the soft fat, and this process also involves on small surface area. So today we have our patient Mr. Adil, who has done his cryolipolysis first session about more than 3 months back, and he is very much satisfied with this process, and he has come again to our clinic for his cryolipolysis of the love handles, and it is really very encouraging that we are having our patients for repeated therapy. Alhamdulillah.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Adil. I came here again. Firstly, I had my cryo procedure 3 months back, and I have a fabulous result. That's why I'm coming again over here for the next treatment.
So we are in the procedure room now, and Mr. Adil is on the couch. We are going to deal with this love handle area. The area has been marked already. We will place the anti-freezing membrane over here, and we will use this cryolipolysis cup which is off. We will place the anti-freezing membrane over the area to be treated. Make sure there is no air bubble in between. We are going to start our procedure now. The anti-freezing membrane has been placed. The vacuum is also placed over it. And now we are going to start the vacuum pump, which will draw the fat area. It will suck into it. Can you please start it? The fat should not fill up the cup fully. It should be like half and half. Now as you can see, it has started freezing. Okay, fat is drawn into the suction cup before freezing, and now it has started freezing. This will provide a slight pulling sensation, and the area will be cold. Area should go numb within few minutes. And this procedure, as we are using a medium sized cup, so this procedure will take about 45 minutes. Now I will also explain the what is the mechanism of action, how we are going to freeze this fat, and what will happen to that fat. So 3D cryo freeze is a unique non-invasive treatment This creates vacuum that draws the fat into the handpiece. Now this localized area within the handpiece is now frozen at -6 degree, causing the fat cells to crystallize, and it will result in 22% of the fat cell that will die in that area. No other structures are affected by this process. Now these frozen fat cells are removed by the process of apoptosis over the period of 6 to 8 weeks. Apoptosis is a programmed cell death. The procedure is going on, and this is a single session of cryolipolysis, which will be followed by 4 sessions of shock wave. One session of shock wave will be immediately after this cryolipolysis, and then after every week we will do the 3 remaining sessions. The advantage of this shockwave treatment is that it channelizes the fat toward lymphatic drainage. In other words, we increase the lymphatic drainage of the fat by doing shockwave. The results of this treatment will be visible or more marked after 6 to 12 weeks. This treatment can be done alone, standalone treatment, or we can also combine this treatment with RF or with radio frequency to remove the fat and tighten up the skin also. Beside that, many patients who have got large surface area, they do their cavitation treatment first, and followed by that, so many times the fat pockets are left there. So for that purpose, this is an add-on procedure. Cryolipolysis is an add-on procedure to the cavitation. So it's not only a standalone treatment, we can combine it with radio frequency also, and we can do it after cavitation also. So basically it is really a very advanced technology, non-invasive, targeting the stubborn fat pockets which are difficult otherwise to remove or to reduce even after stubborn exercise or even after doing a very good diet plan. It is an add-on treatment, and people are really getting good results out of it. This is our ultimate 3D lifestyle machine. It deals with the different procedures. I will first of all show you this probe, which is the cavitation probe. This is for large surface area. For the abdomen large surface area, we start with the cavitation, and this is a 3-way process, starting with cavitation, and then we do this body RF, and followed by this shock wave therapy. This is our shock wave probe, which basically directs the fat towards the lymphatics. The other probes which deals with other functions also are the HIFU. This is the body HIFU probe. Then again, this is body HIFU. This is the cartridge for the facial HIFU, for the large area of the face to cover cheeks and whole face. This probe is particularly for the targeted HIFU for periorbital area in the central area of the forehead and for the chin also. These 2 probes are our skin tightening probes, deal with the radio frequency. This small one is for face, and the big one is for the body. As today we are dealing the procedure of cryolipolysis, so I am going to show you this probe also. This is for chin lipolysis, and it has again a very good results. It's a totally non-invasive, not painful at all, not affecting any other areas except the area to be treated, and you can see the probe. This time is over now, and we are about to remove these cavitation cups gradually. And our operational, you can see this area which shows numbness and shows redness. And do you feel anything, Mr. Adil? Can you feel anything?
For me, it's just like numbness.
Okay, this area is numbed, it's freezed, it's quite cold, and it will be followed, this session will be followed by shockwave treatment. So it's a very painless procedure, non-invasive, and a very unique procedure which has been introduced by the 3D lifestyle. So now we are going to start our shockwave treatment, and this is again a slight noisy procedure, but it's very effective procedure. And the whole process of this cryo, you can start it, and the whole process of lipolysis, it's amazing, with no downtime, no any side effects. Patient will have got redness only for maybe for about 24 hours, and pain-free, non-surgical, an excellent procedure. Finally, we are finished with the procedure of cryolipolysis, and the only precaution which has been told to the patient is that he has to drink a lot of water. The more water he will drink, the more good the lymphatic drainage will be. And now I would like to have some comments from Mr. Adil.
Assalamualaikum. Guys, as you know that I was in a procedure before, and now I'm feeling very relaxed, same like I gonna say flying in the air, feeling very relaxed. I am very thankful to all the staff who are working over here. They give me a very good time with the procedure, and thanks again to 3D Lifestyle.
I just want to know, Mr. Adil, did you feel any pain, or what were your feelings during treatment?
No, it was nothing pain, because I had done my procedure before. If I feel a pain, I never come again over here again and again.
So nice of you. So thank you very much.
It's my pleasure.